Can't invite or add friends in Mobile Legends Bang Bang? In this video, I will show you a few troubleshooting guides to fix unable to invite or add friends in Mobile Legends. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your device. If not, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it back off. Or you can switch your internet Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi and then check your issue. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search Mobile Legends Bang Bang, tap on it, tap Offload app again, and lastly, tap Reinstall app. Solution 3. Clear the cache from the game. Open up the Mobile Legends app, tap on Settings, tap Network Settings, tap Network Test, tap Cache Clearing, tap Clean. Finally, tap OK. Now reopen the game and check your issue. Solution 4. Quit and reopen the game. Open Mobile Legends, tap on Settings, tap Quit Game, tap Quit again. Now open the game again and check your issue. Hope one of these processes will solve your problem and you will be able to invite or add friends on Mobile Legends. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.